Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with Sai. So today we are going to introduce the new chapter of the next part of speech. But before that, I had given some few assignments based on different types of noun. Did you solve it? So let's recheck all the answers, the assignment that I had given before. Here it is. So guys, I hope you have rechecked your answers. Those who have done any mistakes, they can also get the correction from this particular assignment. So today we are going to introduce the new chapter of the English grammar. That is, before that, let me tell, he is the younger brother of the noun. You might be thinking, ma'am, why you said that younger brother of the noun? Chakkar kya hai bhai? The chakkar is that noun is the first part of the speech we introduce. But you will be saying, ma'am, as you're introducing the second part of speech, it might be that's why you said it is the younger brother. No. Why I said younger brother? Because this particular part of speech has the role to remove this noun, to omit the part of noun, to replace the noun, and it is known as pronouns. So today we are going to know what is pronouns, what are the different types of pronouns, what are the uses of pronouns, and so on. Let's begin. So let's discuss the first definition, that is, what is a pronoun? A pronoun are the words used in the place of nouns. As I said, nouns का हटा के जो word use करते हैं वो है pronouns. In fact, it is used for avoiding repetition of nouns in a sentence. To avoid the repetition of that particular subject or the particular noun, we can say we use pronouns. For example, Sai reads a book. Sai keeps the book on the table. That means here Sai is the person who reads the book and Sai is the person who keeps the book on the table. So in this particular two sentences, I have used Sai, again I repeated Sai. So to avoid this repetition, there we replace a word which is known as pronouns. So what I used, Sai reads a book. First, we add the subject, that means person's name. We denoted who read the books. Sai reads a book. She keeps it on the table. So, as we know, Sai is coming under the part of the female gender. So, to replace that name, I used she as the pronoun. So, it will be, if it will be in the form of male, we will be using he. It will be in the part of neuter gender, then we will be using it. So basically we have to follow three things. As we know, according to the subject, first person singular is I, first person plural is we. Second person and plural person, in the part of the second person, that is singular and plural, both we will be using you. Third person singular, we will be using he, she, it. But while converting to the plural form, we will be using they. So these three concepts you have to study, that what subject, where you will be using and what form singular and plural. Accordingly, you will be using she, he, it, they, etc. Now we will be coming part to different forms. That means pronoun is the mother of this particular chapter. She has many children. So who were these children? Let's cover in this particular theme. So here we are coming with the first daughter of the pronoun, and that is the personal pronoun. So personal, what is the meaning of personal? जो बहुत personal होते हैं, जो बहुत करीब होते हैं, and that defines that it refers to a specific person or thing in a sentence. Personal pronouns denotes a specific person or a thing in a particular sentence. For example, we have I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These types of words are denoting the personal pronouns. Who are the personal pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For example, I went to the store after work. Who went to the store? I. So, I is the personal pronoun which is being referred to this particular sentence. Now we will be coming to the second daughter, that is possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns, as we have studied in the part of noun, that shows the expression of possession or the ownership. So here the pronouns are like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. So these are denoting the possessive pronouns. For example, this book is mine. Kiska book hai? Mera hai. So I will be telling this book is mine. So what we understood in personal pronoun, it is denoting to a specific person or a thing in a sentence. Possessive pronoun is denoting to a ownership. Okay. So now we will be coming to the third and the fourth types of pronouns. So now we are coming to the third daughter of the pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. So this demonstrative pronoun is the point to something specific. It expresses or it shows to the point to something specific. The words we use, the pronouns we use, this, that, this and those. For example, are these your shoes? That means there is the pair of the shoes and I am asking, are these shoes is yours? That means whether I will be finding whether that particular pair of shoes which is over here is your or mine. Okay, so there I will be using are these your shoes. So these kinds of words, these, that, these and those are indicating to the part of demonstrative. That means which indicates, which show to the point of that particular specific object. Next is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, the words that means which relate something. Okay, which join something. So they are used to join two clauses. The relative pronoun helps to join two sentences. What are the pronouns used under relative pronouns? Where, that, who, whom, when, whose, which. So these are the words which are being used for the relative pronouns. That means it joins two sentences. It relates something. For example, this is the book which I lost yesterday. यही book था जो कल मैं खो दिया था. So here I used which is indicating to a particular thing, that is book. Now let's move to the next part of the pronoun, the next type. The fifth daughter of the pronoun is interrogative pronoun. So we know the word interrogative is giving us the idea which asks questions. नहीं कहाँ पर, कौन, किधर, कैसे, उफ इतने सारे सवाल होता है. So interrogative pronouns, they are used to begin a question. These type of words, the interrogative words, used to express the question, used to ask the question. The words like who, what, who, where, which. So these kinds of words giving us the idea that they will be asking us the question. For example, who is knocking the door? I am asking, who is that person who is knocking the door? That means कौन है जो बाहर खटखट 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 कर रहा है? Which is your pen? There are two pens with me. So I will be asking, which is your pen? It is indicating to a thing. Who is knocking the door? It is indicating to the person. When? It is indicating to time. Where? It is indicating to place. Understood, guys? So today we have just learned about 5 daughters. They are first personal pronoun, which is giving a specific term to the person or a thing. Second, we studied about possessive pronouns, which is giving us the idea, the owner of that particular thing, okay, or the possessions of that thing. Third, we studied about demonstrative pronoun, which give us to a specific concept or specific point of the object, which indicate to a specific point. Fourth, we studied about the relative pronoun, which indicates a relationship, which relate two sentences. Last, we studied about interrogative pronoun which asks us the questions. So, based on this, I will be giving few assignments. What you are going to do? You have to solve it, and in the next class, we will be discussing all the answers. Till then, please be there in the session for my next video. We are having much more to learn. So, stay tuned, like my channel and subscribe as many as you can. Thank you. Have a nice evening.